Yeah, hi there. Okay, this is my video for, I guess it's May, what are we? May like 5th, I believe. Anyway, we're looking at today, we're in the hobby shop and we're looking at the Ugears fire truck, a vintage sort of inspired. I don't know whether it's of an actual truck, but it's, anyway, it's all laser cut. It's super cool. There's how many pieces in total, I believe? 537 pieces to complete the kit. It's quite awesome. I've never seen anything like it before. It's new to me, but I thought it's quite sensational, and it certainly it rolls on the axis and the ladder extends. It's got a hook. It's very cool, you know, and you could paint it up to make it look super awesome if you wanted to. I believe it's all a snap fit for the most part, but you'd probably want to glue some of it. Super cool. Awesome, awesome. The price on it, the stock price or the retail price, is $99, and then there's taxes, so you're looking at $112. But it's very beautiful. Here, we'll just zoom in on it. Sensational. 537 parts of awesomeness. You know, you could probably build this in probably about a week. You know, taking your time. Just enjoying the process. But it's fully articulated, and yeah, a great design, a great model, super well done. Anyway, this is by a company called Ugears. It's available here at Burnaby Hobbies and in Burnaby, British Columbia. You can call Dave at Burnaby Hobbies, and he's got at least one available. $100. Here's another one I'm going to show you. Just another of the products offered by Ugears. Here's another one. I'm just going to scoot over. Here's another one, sort of a kinetic sculpture design. It has a gear that you can turn, and it's really quite awesome. You know, goes forwards and backwards, and it would be kind of. You could probably actually set this up on a motor and just make it spin, which would be nice. I'd love to see a little motor just turning it. You are so. So I think this is fairly new to Burnaby Hobbies. These kinetic laser cut models, sculptures. And it's quite awesome. So have a look at them. I think you'll find them quite interesting. Anyway, take care. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a like. And yeah, all the best. Take care.